Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not sending messages issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So there are some troubleshoots, some problems, there are some options or issues that can cause the problem itself. So first thing is checking your internet connection. If your internet connection is not good, so unfortunately even that can affect when they're sending you a message, your connection is not good enough for you to receive the message. That could be the first reason. So try switching to another network or switching to your data itself. Next thing is updating your app itself. If your app is not up to date, then that can also sometimes cause the error for you to give a warning or reminder that you have to update your app. So you have to go ahead and search your app over here, check whether it needs an update or not. Unfortunately, even mine needs, so tap on update and wait for it to be updated, and that problem should also disappear. Next thing is simply go ahead, try to access your Facebook from your browser. You might get the notification from there as well. Next thing is simply log out of your app itself and re-log in, and that should also help you with that. And those are the simple steps you can apply which will help you get your messages or notification from Facebook. So that is it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.